Tunelang malago, ring dalagang Kapampangan. Ining may patunayan kay milabas sa Coronation Night na ning Binibining Pilipinas 2024, niting Domingo a 7 na ning Ulyo. Adwala kasing Kapampangan ring menikwa ka ring corona, api sa samsama ning misabing beauty pageant. Fan fave ay Binibini Pampanga Jasmine Bongay, magumpisa niyang ikit day ning nirampay niyang press presentation, pati naging preliminary competition. Kabang ibinibini Abram Mirna Esguerra naman na dati ng Delaing Pampanga king aliwang pageant, meto niya ka ring hot picks na ring at pageant fans. Katukulo na ning mismong Coronation Night, akit ka ring kandidata ing winning glow. Rina pala rin karelang swimsuit at manyang pukaking karelang confidence, anyang pepakit na naman ng karelang elegant side kings evening gown segment. Kay Batnaniti, inaus na nalang tunggal-tunggal din top 15 finalist at Kenny Milob Laribunggay pong Esguerra. Segutan dala ring mga pali at nerve-cracking akutang, manibatan ka rin panel of judges. Kitna ng Miss Universe 1969 Gloria Diaz si Binibining Pilipinas Pampanga nung nanoy kayang sabyan kung hindi niya 30 minutos sa pagkasabyan ring tao. Pesyag na namang bunggayin kayang pamagsuporta king pamagpasa king Soji SC Bill ang paing importansya ning pamipante-pante.
If I would be given 30 minutes to talk to the public, I would like to talk about the passing of the Soji SC Bill. Because in celebrations such as pageants, this community has contributed so much. And in this regard, we can give back to them by supporting this cause. Because as an individual, it is our responsibility that we ensure that everyone is treated equally despite their Soji. Thank you.
Segutin na namang Binibini Abram Mirna Esguerra yung kutang ng Miss Universe 1972 Margie Moran. Nung mibalig aking panahon, naning kayang sabyan ka ring babae, patungkol ka rin kay babainan ngayon ng kasalukuyang banwa.
I will tell to the women of the past that we have achieved our goal, which is to empower women. Standing here at the age of 17, I started to finance for my own studies and help my family financially. I was able to do this by all those women who paved the way to empower us to always reach for our goals no matter what it is. Because in life, we can always achieve our dreams as long that we believe that we can. And thanks to them all. Thank you.
Bayo mayaring Bengi, may pili ang timong second runner-up Tricia Martinez ng Laguna, first runner-up Crystal Jean de la Cruz ng Zambales, kabang Ibinibini Pampanga Jasmine Bongay ng menikwaking Binibining Pilipinas Globe title at Binibining Pilipinas International naman ni Abram Mirna Esguerra. Yako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.